Have you ever felt like there just aren't enough hours in the day? You start with a to-do list. Then the day slips away. Meetings, distractions, delays. By the end of the day, most tasks are still untouched. But what if there was a way to manage your time more smartly, without burning out? That's where AI comes in. AI, or artificial intelligence, isn't just for robots or big tech companies. It's already around you, helping you write emails, schedule appointments, and even manage your health. And now it's helping people take control of their time. Let's explore how. First, AI can create smart schedules for your day. Instead of planning every minute manually, AI-powered tools like Google Calendar with AI integrations, Motion, or Reclaim analyze your tasks, meetings, and deadlines. They automatically create the most efficient plan, balancing deep work, breaks, and meetings. They even adjust your schedule if something unexpected comes up. You don't waste time thinking, what should I do next? AI tells you based on logic and your own habits. Second, AI helps you prioritize. It learns which tasks matter more and which ones can wait. With tools like Todoist with AI or Microsoft Copilot, your to-do list is no longer just a list. It's a dynamic system that sorts, ranks, and reminds, so your brain is free for the real work. Third, AI tracks your time and gives you insights. With apps like Rescue Time or Clockwise, AI silently monitors where your time goes. Then it shows you clear reports, how much time you spent on focused work, how often you got distracted, and when you're most productive. No more guessing. You'll clearly see patterns and make smarter changes. AI can even help block distractions. With smart focus tools like Freedom or Serene, AI learns when you're trying to concentrate and blocks notifications, websites, or apps that interrupt you. It's like having a digital bodyguard for your focus. How much time do you spend on repetitive work? AI can take that off your plate. Replying to emails, organizing files, scheduling reminders, or even writing content. AI tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, or Zapier can automate these tasks. You spend less time doing the same things and more time doing what matters. And it's not just about work. AI can help you in your personal life too. Planning meals, organizing travel, reminding you to drink water, meditate, or take breaks. AI personal assistants like Google Assistant, Alexa, or health tracking apps are there for you. Managing your time doesn't have to be a daily struggle. AI can't give you more hours in a day, but it can help you make the most of every hour you already have. Let AI be your invisible assistant, quietly making sure you stay focused, efficient, and stress-free. Because time is your most valuable resource. Use it wisely, with AI by your side.